Welcome. Thank you for joining your walking meditation. In our busy world, it's not easy to find moment for stillness. Sometimes it can even feel difficult or possibly uncomfortable. This practice is intended to move with you. Whatever you're taking steps along your mat or outside of your neighborhood, or even walking during your commute, for your safety, please keep your eyes open for the duration of this practice. So let's step right into it by bringing awareness to our bodies and to our breath. Begin to feel your feet growing heavier, sinking into the earth. And as you feel the solidity of the earth, invite a softness into your knees. When you feel ready to move, begin to do this with slowness, with awareness in your steps. And just remember to ask yourself, how slow can you begin to move your body? As you feel the earth beneath you, underneath your feet, draw the awareness up to your breath. Take a long, deep inhale through the nose. Inhale through your nose and slowly, at a simple grounding pace, exhale through out of your nose. Inhale deeply and inviting calm, allowing that you expand into your chest, your arms as they move. Exhale and allow your body to be at ease. Exhale and allow your body to be at ease as you take each and every step. Let's draw our awareness back to your feet and the surface that is beneath you. Notice how stable and solid your feet feel on the ground. As you take each gentle step, the earth is unmoving, steady, heavy, to hold you. As you take your steady steps, feel the energy from the earth. And take a moment to envision what lies beneath the surface of where you are standing. Maybe the dirt from which we can plant things and watch them grow. Pick up the earth that gives us life and nutrients. The foundation that we build our homes on. And breathe into a solid, stable home as you move your body. Begin to think of your feet and your legs like roots connected to the ground. Your feet are connected to the earth. Just like every other human, all of us planted here and connected together. Allow the grounded energy to flood into your feet, allowing a little bit more ease in each and every step. Allow the steady energy from the earth to travel up to your knees. Soften your knees as your steps. Allow yourself to become a little bit more buoyant and a little bit lighter. Smooth and slow down your movements. Continue to feel awareness in your lower body, but this time a little bit higher. Notice the sturdiness in your legs, your strong thighs, your stable glutes. These areas are strong and secure. They are meant to take away and give support just like the earth. Grow a little heavier in these spaces. With the next inhale, send your breath down deep to your lungs, down through your belly, and then to the base of your pelvic floor. Feel the energy of your own root space. Read into that space. And as you breathe into this energetic space, notice how your roots are growing even more from the ground. into your torso, your core, your chest. Take a big breath and allow everything to expand. Exhale and continue to walk with ease. Steady and mindful in your steps. Allow the steadiness from the root area, the rhythm of your steps, your breath, and the steady, fast energy from the earth. Continue to guide you as you walk. Observe these things and continue to allow more ease to enter into your body. The earth's energy is powerful and it continues to grow through your body. With an easy, soft gaze, begin to notice what is around you. Notice the details as you move. Look around. What colors do you notice? What textures? Maybe you feel some sensations on your skin. Take a steady, grounded energy from the earth and draw it into your present awareness as you move and observe what's around you. Move with softness but confidence. The beautiful place between efforts and ease. Continue to breathe into your roots with every breath, inviting in more of a sense of the calm, sturdy energy that the earth has to offer. In a busy world, sometimes we find that we need to move energy through our bodies to find a moment to ground before we can settle into stillness. It's all a practice of noticing what is best going to support you in each and every moment. And then letting those choices guide you towards being present. Walk for as long as you need, or if you have created that moment of stillness, option to just pause and reflect. It has been an honor to guide you through this walking meditation. Continue to step lightly, full of breath, with ease. You deserve to be grounded, and you deserve to be stable. Breathe into it, and Namaste.